Did you know that winter is one of the most challenging seasons for maintaining your health and fitness? The colder temperatures and shorter days can lead to reduced activity and motivation. But with the right tips, you can stay on track and even thrive during the winter months. One of the first things to focus on is staying warm. Wearing layers and keeping your body temperature regulated can prevent illnesses caused by exposure to cold weather. Winter can be tough on your immune system. Boost it by eating foods rich in vitamins C and D, such as citrus fruits, leafy greens, and fortified cereals. Hydration is just as important in winter as it is in summer. Even if you don't feel as thirsty, make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Indoor exercises can be your best friend during winter. Activities like yoga, Pilates, or even bodyweight exercises can help you stay fit without having to face the cold. If you enjoy outdoor workouts, make sure to layer your clothing appropriately. Start with a moisture-wicking base layer, followed by an insulating layer, and finish with a waterproof outer layer. Winter blues can affect your mood and energy levels. Combat this by getting exposure to natural light whenever possible, even if it's just a short walk outside during the day. Incorporating seasonal produce into your meals can add variety and nutrition. Root vegetables like sweet potatoes and carrots are packed with nutrients and are perfect for winter recipes. To keep your skin healthy, moisturize daily to combat dryness caused by cold weather and indoor heating. Sleep is crucial for overall health, and winter is a great time to focus on improving your sleep habits. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Staying social is also important. Winter can sometimes feel isolating, so make an effort to connect with friends and family to boost your mental health. Consider taking a vitamin D supplement if you live in an area with limited sunlight during the winter months. This can help maintain energy levels and support your immune system. Exercise doesn't have to be a chore. Try fun winter activities like ice skating, sledding, or even building a snowman to stay active and enjoy the season. Cooking at home can be a healthier alternative to eating out, especially in winter. Try making hearty soups and stews that are both nutritious and warming. Avoid the temptation to overindulge in comfort foods. While occasional treats are fine, aim for balanced meals with plenty of vegetables and lean proteins. Staying consistent with your workout routine can be challenging in winter, but it's key to staying fit. Create a schedule and stick to it as much as possible. Remember to stretch before and after any physical activity, especially in cold weather. This can help prevent injuries and improve flexibility. Take advantage of seasonal drinks like herbal teas to keep warm and stay hydrated without added sugar. Keeping a journal to track your health and fitness progress can help you stay motivated, focused on your goals. If you have a fireplace or heater, use it wisely. Staying warm can prevent your body from using extra energy to maintain its temperature. For those who enjoy running, winter running can be safe and enjoyable if you use the right gear, such as thermal leggings and reflective clothing. Encourage yourself by setting small, achievable goals during the winter months. Each goal accomplished can be a big boost to your motivation. Take care of your mental health by practicing mindfulness or meditation. These can help you manage stress and maintain a positive outlook during winter. Encourage others to join you in staying healthy and fit. Exercising with a friend or family member can make it more enjoyable and keep you accountable. Don't forget to give yourself a break. Rest and recovery are just as important as staying active. If you feel your energy levels dropping, consider incorporating more iron-rich foods like spinach and beans into your diet. Take precautions to avoid common winter illnesses, such as colds and flu. Wash your hands regularly and avoid close contact with sick individuals. Winter can be a time of reflection and self-care. Use this season to focus on personal growth and setting goals for the coming year. Encourage yourself to try something new, like a fitness class or a hobby that gets you moving. Keep your house well ventilated to prevent the buildup of allergens or bacteria, even during the colder months. Take advantage of seasonal spices like cinnamon and nutmeg, which not only add flavor, but also have health benefits. Encourage your kids or family members to stay active with you. Family activities like snowball fights or winter hikes can be fun and healthy. Be mindful of your mental health. If you notice signs of seasonal affective disorder, SAD, consider light therapy or speaking with a professional. Encourage regular breaks if you work from home. Short walks or stretches can keep your energy up and reduce the risk of stiffness. Try swapping sugary snacks for healthier options like nuts, seeds, or dried fruit during the winter months. Consider donating to or volunteering at a local shelter. Helping others can boost your mood and create a sense of community. Encourage good posture, especially if you're spending more time indoors sitting. Stretching and ergonomic furniture can help prevent back pain. Take care of your feet by wearing warm, comfortable footwear, especially if you're walking on icy or snowy surfaces. If you're feeling unmotivated, remember your why. Think about the reasons you want to stay healthy and fit this winter. Encourage creative ways to exercise indoors, such as dancing or following an online fitness program. Avoid the trap of staying in bed for too long. While it's tempting, staying active during the day will help you sleep better at night. Celebrate small wins, like completing a week of workouts or preparing a healthy meal. Every step counts toward your goals. Encourage gratitude by writing down things you're thankful for. This simple practice can improve your mental well-being during the winter. Stay informed about your health. Regular checkups can catch potential issues early and give you peace of mind. Avoid the temptation to hibernate completely. Balance rest with activity to maintain both physical and mental health. As the season progresses, adapt your routine to fit changing weather and daylight conditions. Flexibility is key to staying consistent. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more videos like this.